eBay is a traditional channel to sell your products. And if you're looking for a multi-channel expansion of your store, eBay is the answer. Introducing eBay Marketplace Integration. One solution to simplify all your tedious tasks. Are you tired of uploading your products one at a time? Do you spend most of your time managing your product data like attributes of your products, product descriptions, and other pieces of information? Well, start selling on eBay in minutes with our eBay Marketplace integration and let us handle all your time-consuming processes of uploading, synchronizing, product profiling, and much more, simplifying the complexity of the process. With our eBay Marketplace integration, you'll get features like product management, which will help you in bulk listing, relisting of your products, complete synchronization, making automatic inventory updates for you. And not only this, you'll also have a special templating feature for your products, which will help you in modifying your product's title, description, inventory, and price easily and with more convenience. Order management, which will help you fetch your orders from your eBay store to Shopify and your shipping data from your Shopify to eBay, providing you complete synchronization between both the stores. Don't want to create a specific product profile? Use the default product profile and save your time and extra efforts. Create custom business policies for your returns, payment methods, and shipping options. And to add to this, one of our expert executives will be aligned to you who will be guiding you throughout the process. All in all, you can sell your products on eBay hassle-free and with more customizable features which will help you in your recurring uploads. Create your own personalized custom values on your store and upload your products with a single click in the future. There are more benefits too. You can contact us at www.CedCommerce.com for more details or leave us a query mail at support@CedCommerce.com.